Hi, my name is Stijn. Welcome to Con Todo. I want to show you how to make a delicious crab salpicon. Crab salpicon. Salpicon de Jaiba from the region of
Tampico, on the Gulf of Mexico.
It is from Tampico originally, but by now you can find this in pretty much any quality seafood restaurant in Mexico, and it's super delicious. I've got some crab left over, so I decided to make a snack. And actually it's really simple. I'm gonna start chopping my celery. Now half an onion. That's done, so we can toss that into a little bit of vegetable oil. And we can start sweating that down. We're gonna chop our jalapeno. Finally dice it. I like using a red jalapeno simply because it gives a nice sweeter flavor that goes really well with the sweet crab meats. We're just gonna let this sweat, add a little bit of salt. You wanna get them right at the threshold of translucent and turning brown. So I think we've got that going, so we're gonna add in the jalapeno. You can use a serrano, you can use a green jalapeno. And now we're gonna add our crab meat as well. Add some more salt. Add some pepper. Stir that around, and you really just want to get your crab meat nice and hot. And that's when this is ready. It's super easy, it's super quick, and it's going to be super tasty on a tostada. So I've got a bowl ready. Just going to put that in that bowl. Now we're going to chop a handful of cilantro. And we're going to stir that in. I've got some tostadas here. Just going to spread it out over them. You can use tortilla chips if you don't have tostadas. Totopos as they're called in Mexico. Perfect as a light meal or a midday snack. I'm going to serve it with some Yucateco habanero sauce. And that's going to be super delicious. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with the people around you that love to cook. Don't forget to subscribe to our feed. It's completely free and it helps other people find these recipes. Check out our Instagram, our Facebook, and the website contodo.be where you can find all the recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.